Let's be honest, life gets messy, so do our floors. But cleaning up shouldn't feel like a full-time job. What if it could be quick, smart, and totally hands-off? If you are tired of switching between broom, mop, and vacuum, or if your current cleaner isn't getting the job done, then this is right for you. Today I'm super excited to show you something which is going to completely change the way you clean your home. The iLife V20 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. This isn't just a vacuum, it's your all-in-one solution for clean and stress-free home. The iLife V20 is built for power, flexibility and everyday convenience. So you can just sit back and let it do all the work. Unboxing the iLife V20. Let's see what's in the box. Here is the star of the show, the iLife V20 robot. Look at its design, sleek, low profile and smart enough to cruise around the furniture. Next, we have the charging dock along with its adapter. This is where V20 will automatically return to recharge, so it's always ready for next cleaning session. Charge the robot for about 4 to 5 hours before using it for the first time. Here is 2-in-1 dustbin and water tank. This is key for its ability to both vacuum and mop simultaneously, tackling different kinds of messes efficiently. And to go on with that, we have the mop base and the mop cloth, which is essential for getting out floors sparkling clean. For easy control, we have handy remote control. This is great for quick commands or if you prefer not to use the app for everything. This is the side brush, which helps in sweeping dirt and debris from edges and corners into the path of the main suction. This is HEPA filter, which can trap fine dust and tiny particles, keeping the air in your home fresher and cleaner. A clean tool is also included along with the package for keeping the robot clean. And of course, a simple, clear and helpful user manual that walks you through everything you need to know to get started with your iLife V20. One of the best things about the iLife V20 is that it comes with extra spares right out of the box. You'll get an extra mopping cloth with a spare HEPA filter and an additional side brush. That means less worry about wear and tear and more uninterrupted cleaning. So that's everything packed inside iLife V20 box. A pretty comprehensive kit to get you started on the path to an effortlessly cleaner home. Now, let's dive into what makes the iLife V20 so special. To turn it on, just long press this power button right here. And if you want to send it back to the charging dock manually, simply press the home button. Feature deep dive. Impressive 5000 PA suction power for deep cleaning. The iLife V20 is equipped with a robust motor delivering 5000 PA of a strong suction. This power allows it to effectively clean dust, everyday debris, pet hair, and even those fine particles from various floor types, including hardwood, tiles, or carpets. It's designed for a deep and thorough cleaning. The brushless motor delivers powerful performance with greater efficiency, enhanced durability, and reduced noise levels. This gives you a peaceful home environment, even when the cleaning work is going on. Intelligent navigation with SOF laser precision. Guiding this powerful cleaning is its advanced SOF laser navigation system. It used a fixed laser sensor to precisely scan and understand your home's layout. This creates accurate maps, allowing the V20 to plan the most efficient cleaning paths, thoroughly cover areas, and intelligently avoid obstacles, minimizing the missed spots or repeated cleaning. A fantastic feature is its ability to store multiple maps, which helps in the effective cleaning of homes with more than one floor. Dual action, simultaneous vacuuming and mopping. One of the coolest features of iLife V20 is that it can vacuum and mop at the same time. Thanks to that hybrid 2-in-1 dustbin and water tank. 300 ml for dust, 250 ml for clean water, it tackles both dye debris and light surface stains in a single pass. The dual action cleaning is a real time saver, especially for busy households. Just remember, when you want the V20 to clean carpets, it's important to remove the mopping cloth along with the mopping base. User-friendly remote control. While V20 connects to a smart app, iLife knows that not everyone wants to use their phone for everything, and that's totally okay. That is why we have included the super handy remote control. This is particularly thoughtful for seniors or anyone who prefers a straightforward operation. You have clear buttons for starting and pausing, cleaning, sending the robot back to its charging dock. Selecting different cleaning modes such as max mode to increase the suction while cleaning. Path mode to clean in S-shaped pattern. Spot mode to clean in a spiral way for targeted area. And edge mode to clean through edges of the wall. Or even manually guide it if needed. It puts essential controls right at your fingertips, making it accessible for everyone in the family. Customize cleaning via the iLife app. For those who love to fine-tune their cleaning, the dedicated iLife Clean app puts a variety of controls right at your fingertips, allowing you to truly personalize your V20's performance. Let's see how to download the iLife Clean app and connect it to your robot. Start by downloading the iLife Clean app from your App Store or Google Play. It's available for both iOS and Android. Sign up with your email and create an account. Once you are logged into the iLife Clean app, tap on the Add Device and choose the iLife V20 model option and switch to AP mode. Make sure to connect with a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network by entering your password. Long press the power button to turn your V20. Then, long press power button and home button together. You'll hear a voice prompt saying Wi-Fi has been reset. You'll also see both the power and the home buttons flashing in red color. Go back to your phone and connect it to robot's Wi-Fi network. Once the connection is established, the app will sync you with the robot vacuum. You'll then enter the main control interface, where all the smart features are just a tap away. To create your first map, just tap on the quick mapping on the home screen. Once you do that, the V20 will begin exploring and mapping your home on its own. After it has finished mapping, you can go to your setting option and choose Room Manage and save the created map. Once the map is saved, you can explore further options. Under Select Clean mode, you have several targeted options. Plan Cleaning. This mode is designed to clean the entire mapped area thoroughly. Once activated, the V20 will clean every room that has been mapped. Selected Zone Cleaning. This option allows you to target and clean a specific room of your choice or select multiple rooms. Configured Zone Cleaning. If you need a specific area cleaned quickly, you can draw a temporary zone on the map, and the robot will clean only within that designated space. Pin and Go. Simply tap a specific point on the map, and the V20 will navigate directly to the pin and begin cleaning that spot. Recharge. You can choose this option to send the robot to recharge after cleaning. Map Customization and Management. The Map Edit section is where you tailor the robot's understanding of your home. Restricted Area Edit. Under Area option, you can define no-go zones to prevent the robot from entering the certain areas and no mop zones for areas where you do not want it to mop. And the Virtual Wall feature lets you draw a red line on the map to block off the areas you don't want the robot to enter by creating a boundary. Map Custom Editing. This offers more advanced tools to refine the overall map layout. Within Room Edit, you have detailed control over how rooms are defined and managed. Merge. You can use this option to merge rooms. Split. Conversely, you can split a room using this option. Reset. This option reverts any custom room edits back to the factory setting. Name. You can assign custom names to each room using this option. Custom. You can customize sweep count, water level, and suction level to every single room mapped depending on your requirement. Order. You can define the specific order in which you want the rooms to be cleaned. Defining cleaning parameters. Under cleaning preference, you can set the V20's performance characteristics. Work mode. Choose whether you want the V20 to sweep and mop simultaneously, or sweep or only mop. Water volume adjustment. When mopping, you can adjust the water output from close to low, middle or high levels. Suction. Controls the vacuum suction power like closed, eco, standard, strong and max offer increasing levels of power. Customize mode. After being turned on, the robot will clean according to the personalized cleaning preferences preset in each room. This is a powerful feature that uses the specific work mode, water volume and suction setting you have assigned to each room during your room edit or planned cleaning setup. General settings and utilities. Schedule. Set up automated cleaning sessions for specific days and times so the V20 cleans even when you are not thinking about it. Room Manage. You can easily view all your saved maps and switch between them for different floor levels. You can also choose which floor you want to be cleaned. Clean Record. Review the history of cleaning tasks, time taken to clean and area covered, including maps of the areas covered. Voice and Volume. Adjust the volume of the robot's voice prompts and select your preferred language. Switch Disturb. This will turn on Do Not Disturb mode. You can also choose the start and end time when you want this option to be turned on. Remote Control. Use your smartphone as a virtual remote to manually guide the robot. Consumable Management. Track the lifespan of replaceable parts like filters and brushes with option to reset their counters after replacement. Seek Robot. If you can't find your V20, tap this option and robot will make a sound saying, "I'm here," to help you locate it. Auto Boost. This enables the carpet boost function, where the V20 automatically increases the suction when it detects it's on a carpet. Continue cleaning at breakpoint. This allows the V20 to return to its dock to recharge if the battery is low, and then resume the cleaning from where it's left off. Device Info. View technical details about your V20 including its current firmware version. As you can see, the iLife Clean app for the V20 provides an exceptionally comprehensive suite of tools. This level of customization ensures that you can configure the robot to clean your home exactly how you want, when you want, making it a truly intelligent and indispensable cleaning partner. Always ready. Auto recharge and resume cleaning. You don't have to worry about the V20 running out of the power mid-clean. It's smart enough to monitor its own battery level. When the battery gets low, it automatically returns to its charging dock to recharge, and here is the really clever part. Once it has enough power, it will resume cleaning right from where it left off. This ensures complete, uninterrupted cleaning coverage even in larger homes, without you needing to intervene. Automatic carpet boost for deeper cleaning. When it moves from a floor onto a carpet or a rug, it automatically increases its suction power. This intelligent boost allows it to penetrate deeper into carpet fibers, drawing out embedded dust, dirt, and especially pet hair much more effectively. And it does this all on its own, no manual adjustments are needed from you. Extended runtime for comprehensive coverage. Thanks to its efficient battery, the iLife V20 offers an extended runtime. This means it can clean larger areas of your home on a single charge without needing a frequent returns to the dock. It's ideal for spacious homes, ensuring more ground is covered in each cleaning cycle for a comprehensive coverage. Smart Home Voice Control. For ultimate convenience, the iLife V20 seamlessly integrates into your smart home ecosystem. Whether you use Amazon Alexa or Google Home, you're always just one voice command away from a cleaner home. To connect your robot, just head to the Me section under All Devices tab and then tap on Third-Party Voice Services and select your preferred voice assistant. Once connected, your smart cleaning is ready to go. Slim design for hard-to-reach areas. Dust loves to hide in those hard-to-reach spots, But with its slim and compact design, the iLife V20 easily slides under most sofas, beds, and other low-clearance furniture. This low-profile body allows it to navigate and clean areas that are often missed with traditional vacuuming, ensuring a more thorough cleaning throughout your home. Versatile cleaning across all floor types. Whether your home features elegant marble, classic wood, tile, laminate, or cozy carpet, the iLife V20 is designed to adapt and clean them all effectively. Its powerful suction system combined with the optional mopping function for hard floors ensures thorough cleaning across these diverse surfaces. The 2-in-1 floating roller brush is key here. It automatically adjusts its height to maintain close contact with the floor, whether it's a smooth surface or the uneven texture of a carpet, effectively capturing dust, debris, and hair. Multi-floor mapping for multi-level homes. As mentioned earlier, with its SOF laser navigation, the V20 truly shines in multi-level homes thanks to its multi-floor mapping capability. It can create, store, and recognize maps for different stories of your home. This means you can move it, for example, from downstairs to upstairs, and it will know where it is and use the correct map for efficient cleaning without needing to remap each time. This is incredibly convenient for keeping your entire house clean. Advanced sensors for safe operation. You can trust the iLife V20 to navigate your home safely. It's equipped with a suite of multifunctional smart sensors. These include anti-collision sensors that help it detect and avoid furniture and other obstacles, protecting your belongings. Anti-dropping sensors prevent it from falling downstairs or ledges. And anti-stuck technology helps it maneuver out of potentially tricky spots. These sensors work together to ensure smooth, worry-free cleaning experience, keeping both the robot and your home safe. Easy maintenance for long-lasting performance. Regular maintenance is simple and ensures your iLife V20 continues to perform at its best. Let's quickly go through it. First, the dustbin. Empty it regularly. You can usually rinse the dustbin part with water, but make sure it's completely dry before reinserting. The HEPA filter should be tapped gently to remove dust once a week. Replace it every 4 to 5 months. The roller brush can accumulate hair and dirt. Use the provided cleaner tool to clean and cut away any tangled hair and remove debris. To maintain good performance, don't forget to check the side brushes regularly for any tangled hair or debris. You can easily remove the side brush using a screwdriver, clean it thoroughly, and then reattach it securely. For mopping, the mop cloth should be washed after each use with clean water and allowed to dry. The cliff sensors, located underneath the robot, should be wiped gently with a soft, dry cloth to ensure accurate navigation. Also, wipe the charging pins on both the robot and the docking station with a soft, dry cloth to ensure a good connection for charging. If you'd like to use the mopping function on your iLife V20, the setup is super easy. Just open the slit right here and fill the tank with clean water, no detergents or disinfectants, only plain water. If you want to add a bit of detergent, just apply it directly to the mopping cloth. Before attaching the mopping base, make sure the cloth is securely fixed. You can even give it a quick rinse for better performance, and that's it. Your V20 is ready to mop. And remember, if you ever need replacement parts like filters, brushes, or mop clothes, these spares and accessories are readily available on iLife's official website. So, that's the iLife V20 robot vacuum cleaner.
From its powerful 5000 PA suction to the smart SOF laser navigation,
The iLife V20 is built to impress. It doesn't just vacuum, it vacuums and mops at the same time, saving your effort and time. You will get easy control with the app or the remote, plus the smart features like carpet boost and auto recharge and resume. It's designed to adapt to your home and your lifestyle, making daily cleaning something you don't have to think too much about. It's about reclaiming your time and enjoying a consistently cleaner, more comfortable living space. Website ilifecare.in, toll-free number 1800-274-5433. Visit the iLife website or call on the toll-free number to book a free demo today. Whether it's a daily dust or a weekend deep cleans, the iLife V20 got your back, ready to upgrade your home cleaning. Check it out now.